My name is Sunday Raymond Chukwumike Onya from Nigeria. So I come for surgery, Lipoma. Well, there is one place I first go and shut up, but I cannot mention the name of the hospital. Yeah, be me, but this place, very nice and 100% service, very good, very nice. In fact, I really appreciate with them. They did well and very affordable price, very okay. Very just close to this Green Park metro station. If you reach there with their location, everything is very nice and perfect treatment. And I'm very healed and very healthy now. I'm okay with everything they did. Very okay, very. In fact, I appreciate them. Doctors, all their workers are very 100%. So I can advise you anytime or anything you have to act or contact with them. You can go to Facebook and other things, you will see them, contact, they will give you appointment, and very okay. All their treatment and service is very 100% good. Thank you.